It's so hot today that my cameras are overheating and switching off, so I'll have to be quick here. The other good thing with this system is if we go to iTunes there, you see the bottom, the silver triangle, and then there's 3 silver circles. If you just click on that, you'll see VW phone. So it's, yeah, that's one of my cameras switching off. So here we go. So if we click OK, and then what we have to do, if you can see from this camera, because this one's switched off, Bluetooth audio, media. If you click to media, and then just click till it's showing Bluetooth audio, we'll turn that up. Let me see, turn that down, turn that up, turn it up on the phone. All alone, so I came up. There you go, that's it. Can't play it too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. But that's how it works.